Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring a bundle called Today's Tiles. You'll find that in the annual catalog on page 38 and 39. I will say this, there's some really cool examples on that page, just with the little 3D packages and whatnot. But today I'm going to be using my Stamparatus, and I don't often pull out the Stamparatus because I don't want to seem like it's intimidating for those new beginners that think that, we have all the tools. But, sometimes part of the fun is having all the tools and using them. So I have a quarter sheet of paper here, and I have inked up my first stamp with Seaside Spray, and I just turned the paper twice, turned it around. Now I'm coming in with Highland Heather for the more detailed stamp, and I changed out the door. I didn't use two doors, I just used one, and I just changed out the door. Anyway, I don't want it to make it sound like it's too much trouble. It was super simple to do, and this is my little hack. I didn't want to worry myself with lining up all of the bits and the pieces, so I'm just going to cut some stuff down. I am cutting down most of the white, except there's one little white strip that I'm leaving on one of the stamped images. And here I'm going to come in with my dry adhesive, and I'm going to stick the two images together, lining up the white line there, the horizontal white lines. Now I'm going to come in with my trimmer again, and I'm going to lop off one strip of the squares. And then I'm going to just trim off everything so it looks like one complete piece of paper. And I do have this little seam. So this is an unsightly seam that I will cover with my silver ribbon. I have no idea what that ribbon is called. I'll put it in the description bar below. I forgot to look it up. This is tear tape. It fits so nicely on this. I think it's gray granite something, but I don't know. It's got like this sheen to it. It's very soft, ties bows like a dream, and it goes with these colors. If I didn't want to make rustling noise while I'm doing the voiceover, I would look it up, but I'm not going to. It's just going to be in the description box below. Okay, you guys? Click the see more button. So I put tear tape on the bottom of this ribbon, and I'm just going to cover that unsightly seam. So now it looks like one whole piece, you guys. Like, what a little hack that is. Really simple, trimming off the excess, and then I'm going to fold the ribbon in behind, and then I'm going to put dimensionals in behind. And of course, I'm going to use my favorite card base color, which is basic white. I'm going to stick this right in the center, and it's up on dimensionals. And now I'm using one of the labels that come in the Today's Tiles bundle, and I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink to stamp the sentiment that says just wanted to say hello. Put that up on dimensionals and put that kind of on the top-ish part of the card. And then I used, and I did look this up, the Playing with Patterns resin dots. Now these are all out of the annual catalog, guys. I missed the catalog, so I went back to the catalog this week. I don't know if you've seen these embellishments, but they're soft. They're fuzzy kind of feeling. They've got this brushed feel to them, and I quite like them. You know me and embellishments. Anyway, that's my share for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.